In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Venmo to Chime. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Venmo application, then go to the bottom menu and select on me. Then go to the top right and press on the gear icon just like so. Afterwards, please go ahead and scroll down until you see payment methods. Then go ahead and press on add a bank or card. And you want to go ahead and select on bank just like so. Then go ahead and select on verify bank manually instead. Afterwards, it is going to ask you to input the routing number, the account number, and to confirm the account number again. So unfortunately, my screen is black due to privacy reasons. And I'm going to quickly show you guys how to get that. So you want to go ahead and open up the Chime application just like so. All right, so here we are in Chime. So in order to actually find our routing number and stuff like that, we need to go to the bottom menu, press on profile. Then you need to go ahead and scroll down until you see account info. And then it is going to let you know your routing number and your account number. So yeah, you guys can just copy your routing number and your account number. And then this is the number that we're going to be using over on Venmo in order to connect Chime to Venmo. Okay, so you may need to do a little verification, but afterwards you should be able to go ahead and link your Chime bank account over to Venmo. And it may ask you to verify the account by confirming 2 small test deposit from Venmo. So it may take a little while, guys, but just keep that in mind, and you want to save this video if it does take a little while. All right, so after you went ahead and connected your Chime bank account over to Venmo, what you need to do is you need to go over here to where it says transfer. And now it is going to ask you how much money you want to transfer, and where it says transfer to, you want to go ahead and select on your Chime bank account from this list over here. And you should be able to see it in that list if you already did connect your Chime bank account over to Venmo. And then you would need to go ahead and press on transfer. And then from there, it is going to send money from Venmo over to Chime. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.